Alright guys, I'm going to do a review of these Lays. This is the grilled pork flavor, and if you can see, these are those international flavors that you can get nowadays. But let me show you the ingredients. I've never tried this, and just going to try it out, see if it actually tastes any good, and let's open this up. Okay, so it is a pretty small bag. It does smell like barbecue pork, so check that out. Does it taste like barbecue pork? Yes and no. It has like a smoky taste to it, and it does have that sort of pork taste to it, but it's very you get a lot of that smokiness. Yeah, you get a lot more of that smokiness and that sort of pork flavor. So yeah, it's similar, but I would say it's not that close to it, but it's pretty good. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.